start of week technical analysis video. I'm going to be jumping straight into things here. I've got to keep it short and sweet because I am in a bit of a rush, a Christmas rush, if you will. So jumping straight into things. So blue vertical line represents the last point at which we left off in the markets. And as you can see, and if you remember from our last technical analysis video, we was looking at this bearish these bearish candlesticks on the hour 1 time frame, and came to the conclusion that if we see price break through this resistance that was found, if we go to minute 15, which we did look at last time, which we marked the eclipse on, obviously price found a nice resistance there. We said that if price broke above this, we would most likely see a bullish continuation, and as you can see, we have had that bullish continuation. If I go ahead and grab ourselves a path, let me just reset price scale, and we can just really mark in what's actually happened. So as you can see, we had that initial bullish move after price surpassed that previous resistance. Price then had sort of staggered around before market closed, and then market open. We have seen slow but sure bullish momentum, with price now well into the 2600 range. So I don't think we're going to have to worry about price breaking into that 2500 range. As you can see, before price pushed up, we tested the support and previous resistance of around 2600 flat, which indicates to us that price was definitely going to continue on it further into the 2600s. As of right now, we are just seeing some consolidation. We are we're sort of at the end of the Asian session, coming into the London session, and then obviously New York session to take place later on today. As of right now, we are seeing a bearish flag. At some point in the future, maybe in the new year, I'm going to create a video of candlestick patterns and what candlestick patterns mean and what they can indicate and show you in the chart. So as of right now, if we see a bearish continuation, we'll most likely see price fall today through to around 2618. The furthest point we could see price fall to is around 2613. However, the most likely move is definitely here before price then comes up to test around this point of interest here. As of bullish move, we could see price simply break into this level here. If I go and grab a path real quick again, we could see price break into this level here, and instead of passing through and continuing on to 2617, we could see price find support at this level, where price then pushes up even higher. Don't forget, we also have this trend line marked in. I believe we marked it in on hour 4. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and delete these two paths real quick, delete the blue vertical line since we're just showing you where we last left off. And what we're going to do is we're going to continue this trend line through, making sure that we grab that wick on point A and point B, and then just dragging it through to the future, because it's definitely going to be a point in which we want to look at. So going back to our minute 15, if we see that bullish continuation, the most likely thing we will see is price find a support at around this level of 2627 before price then pushes up to around 2639. We could see a rejection. We could see price do a break and retest pattern before price then surpasses and passes through to the 2645 level. That would be the bullish move for the day. If we go ahead and go to our daily real quick, bear with me. We go to our daily. As you can see, we are nearing to that trend line, and the bullish momentum is definitely pulling us out. These last 3 days have finished as bullish candlesticks. If we see another bullish day, we'll most likely see a continuation. The likelihood of it going all the way to 2675 is unlikely, but 2645 for today is definitely more viable. If we go to our weekly, again, since this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that we saw, price has been more or less consolidating. If we go again to our hour 1, you can see that price on hour 1 has pushed down recently and then tested this level as a support, which is obviously a previous resistance and a liquidation point. And if I go back to the future and just have a look at this point of interest, you can still see that same sort of thing. It's a major support across the market. So yeah, what we most likely will see, most probable move as of right now, is a bullish move on the higher time frames. We could see price surpass to around here, break through or test this level before then creating a break and retest pattern on the lower time frames. If we see a complete bullish continuation, we'll most likely see price continue to somewhere around the 2655 mark. So that's pretty much it for this start of week technical analysis. I don't know why I keep saying end of week. My days are all over the place, been in a manic rush, especially around holiday times. But yeah, this is going to be our start of week technical analysis. I know it's short, but I feel like I've gone over as much information as there is, and there's no point rambling on about things that don't really matter. And yeah, I hope you lot have enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.